Okay, in this video, I am testing out China's new Qwen 2.5 Max. They're saying it is better than everything else. So let's put it to the test. There's so many things you can do with it. I'm going to do a little bit of coding and compare it to what I think is the best is Claude Sonnet 3.5. So we'll do two side-by-side comparisons and just see where that goes. So one thing that I like about it already, and by the way, if you want to use it, I'll put the link in the description, but it's just chat.qwen, WENLM, like large language model, .ai. And then you just sign up with your Google account or whatever. It's easy. And this is 100% free. So they've got, actually, I couldn't get this working earlier, but video generation right here, which is really cool. I could get the image generation. It's better than DeepSeek's at least, which was terrible, honestly. But they're doing a lot of stuff right in here, and they have artifacts, like they got that off Claude. But it's good when they have this, so you can actually run the code right in the window. So you click that to do some coding. You also want to make sure it's Qwen 2.5 Max, because you can, pick the other ones here as well. So we'll do two things. Let's start with make me a mortgage calculator. Put it in dark mode. Make it look really cool. I like to put dark mode and make it look cool, just to let it know that I don't want the simplest thing with a boring white background, and just see what it's able to do. I'll cut and paste this and give it to Claude as well. I like to compare something to something that's good. So we'll run that, see what happens here. Do the same thing, exactly the same thing here in Claude. And we will wait. This will not be taking too long. Man, I love when it does this, right? It writes all the code and then it gets ready to show you, instead of just saying, here's the code and, deal with it. It's nice to be able to see it. So it's copied. A lot of them are copying each other, but if you copy the good things, I guess that's what happened with smartphones and everything too, right? There's so many similarities. Okay, here's Claude's mortgage calculator. You can just change stuff, like let's say 500,000 house, 5.5% interest. Yeah, it just changes on the spot. Okay, that's what they get there. We'll compare that. This is taking a little bit longer. All right, so let's just try 500,000. Interest rate is 5.5%, and we'll do 25 years. See what the payments are. Monthly payment 3,000. Okay, so they work. Which one's better? I don't know. They're both fine. I guess Claude's maybe is a little better. I don't know. You could make it look sleeker, put logos and stuff. But anyway, they both did it. They both work well. I guess more or less a tie here. I would probably re-prompt it if I want. I would want it to look a little bit sleeker on both, but that's okay. The next thing, let's do something like, just open a new chat here. Okay. I want to say, make me an image viewer. I want to upload a JPEG or PNG, excuse me, from my computer and view it. I'll copy this, give that to Claude as well. See how they do it. Oh, I forgot to click artifacts. Oh, it doesn't matter, maybe. Okay. Do this. Give it to Claude for the side-by-side comparison here. Using React. Curious how this one's going to go. This has got to be able to take a photo and actually show it. So it's not, it's got to deal with your computer to some extent. Okay, so Claude's is done. I drag and drop an image here, or I click. Let's just click this one. All right, so it showed it. I can go bigger. That's pretty cool. Let's go smaller. I mean, just to have like an image viewer like that. And I'm going to say, make it in dark mode and look a little fancier. See what it does. But that's kind of cool that it can just work like that. So A plus for Claude. Okay, this is simple. I never said the design for either. See, this is what happens if you don't say make it look good. It just gives you the most basic thing. Okay, so it's opening up here. I'll choose the same file, image preview, not working. Okay, I'll just tell it. Give it one more try. Image preview not working. Please fix. We'll give it the last try here. Just see what if it's able to fix it. Okay, Claude's looking a little better here, I think. We will take a look at this. That's a lion we made. Okay, zoom in. I am impressed. I'm impressed with Claude. Let's see this. And I'm on the free plan of Claude. The problem is I'll run out of tokens soon. This is at least free. So we'll just wait to see if it's able to even do it. So far, I guess I'm slightly more impressed with Claude, but you got to test these things yourself. I still haven't told it to look good. Let's see if it's able to do something like this. Image preview. No. What about this one? Did it? You know. Nope, not working. So I will give the points in this particular head to head to Claude, but I would not sleep on this Qwen yet. They've got video coming out. I have tried the images. They say the writing is quite good. The coding is decent. I think Claude's is the best so far, at least from what I've tested. But this is putting the pressure on, especially the pricing pressure on the Western companies. So, definitely check them out. Just wanted to give you guys a brief look into this and let me know what you think in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.